10 Bad Laundry Myths Debunked. The idea of using hairspray to remove ink from laundry began in the 1950s and was actually a valid tip. It was the alcohol in hairspray that worked on the ink stain. Today's hairsprays are different from those aerosols of yesteryear. Many formulas do not even contain alcohol and can actually cause stains, compounding the problem of the ink that's still on your favorite jeans. We had not heard this myth until recently, but a reader was convinced that adding a cup of black coffee to the rinse water would prevent black jeans from fading. It would take a washer full of espresso to make a difference in the color of black jeans. More is not better when it comes to laundry detergent. We are all quite guilty of using too much detergent and creating excessive suds that actually redeposit soil onto our clothing. As tempting as it is to tackle the stain on a shirt by rubbing away, turn it inside out and start there. By treating a stain from the back of the fabric, you are pushing the stain out of the fabric fibers rather than rubbing it in deeper. Learn more about spot treating stains to save yourself from embarrassment and to reduce your laundry loads. Chlorine, bleach and detergents can actually cancel each other out and leave your clothes still looking dull and stained. To allow the enzymes in the laundry detergents time to do their job of whitening and brightening, wait about 5 minutes after the wash cycle begins to add your diluted bleach. Unfortunately, using hot water alone for laundry does not kill all germs and bacteria. Washing clothing or linens of someone who is ill can spread the germs throughout the entire washer, whether you use hot or cold water. There are many reasons why clothes shrink. Some of it is beyond your control due to decisions made by the manufacturers. If you don't mind. Dry cleaning is a bit of misnomer. Water isn't used but other fluids are. Have you ever met the sock monster? Most missing socks are not eaten by a monster in your washer or dryer or even trapped in the machine. Most socks disappear between leaving the foot and the hamper or the hamper and the machines. Check behind your washer and dryer for a stash of socks that have fallen. Check the inside of pant legs for those secret clingers due to static electricity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.